Hi, I am Vikram Khandelwal. I'm an online business consultant who works 100% from home. With multiple successful online businesses, I specialize in creating automated systems and funnels for the network marketing industry. I'm on a mission to organize and professionalize this disorganized but very powerful industry, which works on a very beautiful concept. But unfortunately, majority of the people pursue it in a very wrong way. Originally from Odisha, India, I pursued my dream of becoming a CA in Kolkata, but eventually I lost my interest. So I shifted my focus to my true passion, which is online business. Today, I am into online business consultancy, affiliate marketing, digital coaching, and building Forever Living business with 100% automation. Forever Living is a vertically integrated, privately owned USA based company that produces health products based on aloe vera and honey. I use this product for myself and my family, and I'm so passionate about these products that I promote them online so that others can also experience the health benefits while making money online. I strongly believe that making consistent income from multiple income sources is way more sustainable and safer than becoming the top achiever of any company. Through my unique business model, I help people make money 100% online without disturbing their current profession. My channel is all about sharing valuable insights on business mindset, business growth, online make money opportunities, make money mindset, online business tools, business productivity hacks, and also forever living business. I'm 100% focused on delivering world class content on my channel, world class value to my audience, which is my extended family. So, if you want to learn how to grow your online business, make money online, and achieve financial freedom, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this channel.